Hello, welcome to this unboxing video. As you can see, I have a big box. It's an order. I ordered this at press-startgames, a little shop in the northern part of the Netherlands, in Appingedam. You could have seen a previous video with another unboxing video from press-startgames. They're always quite good in the products. So I'm very curious what's inside. I should know because I've ordered it myself. I paid for it myself. So there is no commercial influence. It's completely my own opinion about products and about the shop. Okay, where's my opener? And I put it on the ground afterwards. So I have a little bit more room to show you what's inside. But first, see how it's packed. So, well, you see, that's all with carton to protect and a little sticker from press-startgames. I'll put it on the side. Okay, on the ground. I'm gonna remove the paper. I'll show you again. You see how well it's packed. They don't take any chance for damage during transport. It's always good with press-startgames. Well, what do we have here? The first one, a big box. It's Under the Moonlight. Under the Moonlight. From The Nightmare Before Christmas. You've seen previous videos with figures from this series. This is the 25-year series. You see, it was a going price of €34.99. But because of the COVID, they had a discount of 20% on all Funko items. And I thought that was a good moment to buy some Funkos. I think this is very nice. I like this a lot. And it looks good too. Okay, the next one. It's from the Doctor Who series, a television series. It's Sarah Jane. I hope you can see her. And something I should mention, all Funkos, at least the normal sized Funkos, are always packed in a protection case. You don't pay extra for that at press-startgame. Well, that's quality. Seffi, you could learn about that. Okie dokie. Doctor Who, Sarah Jane. This is the series where it belongs to. It's quite hard to find any Funkos from the Doctor Who series. But this one was available. Okay, the next one. This is a nice one. This is a 2019 Fall Convention limited edition from Donald Duck. Donald Duck as a fireman. I like this one a lot. You see, good quality in a protection case. It was a little more expensive, as you can understand, but with the discount, all worth the money. Another Funko 2009 Summer Convention limited edition. It's from the Green Hornet. It's Kato. The Green Hornet is also available, but I didn't stumble into that one yet. But I like this one. Yeah, it looks good. Well, the next one, what is this? This is from Hanna-Barbera, the Morocco Mole animation series, and it's a Morocco Mole himself. I always like the Hanna-Barbera series, but you can't find them easily. Most of them I haven't stumbled into, so well, maybe someday I find them and I can put them to my collection. At least this one is found. This is Snagglepuss. Snagglepuss, also a very nice Funko, as I say. Snagglepuss series where it belongs to. All different kind of animation figures. El Kabong is in my collection too, but the others would be nice. A closed box, open it later. It's for the end. What do we have here? This is Ursula from the Little Mermaid. Ursula. Yeah, the reflection is maybe a little bigger than normal because of the protection box around it, but I'm very glad they deliver it inclusive, because you know that all items are undamaged. Okay, and at last, this is from Coca-Cola, the Add Icons series. It's the Coca-Cola beer with the bottle in his hand. This one is nice for next year Christmas to show. Yeah, I like that one too. Good pick this time. Okay, the box is almost empty. I'll have a little one. Oh yeah, this is from the Keychain series. It's Scrooge McDuck. I was searching for the larger version, the normal Funko Pop size, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So, for the time being, this one, I like it. And this is a surprise box. Because when you order above a certain amount of money, I think it's about 100 euros. So now you know about the cost of all these items together. They would throw in a mystery box. And now I hope that these items are not ready in my collection. Well, this is a Harry Potter George Weasley. That is indeed a nice Funko. And this one is Orm from the Aquaman series. This is also a nice figure. Then we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pencil with the Teenage Ninja Turtle on top. This is from Frozen 2, Elsa, a Keychain figure. And another keychain figure, Frodo Baggins. This one I like a lot. Well, that is not bad at all. So I'm very happy with all of this. Good quality, no problems. All safely packed and sent. So I can't complain at all. Okay, if you want to order somewhere, you know where to go to. That was it for today. I thank you for watching. I hope you like the Funkos. I hope you are a Funko collector too. And maybe, yeah, maybe this is one of you have a suggestion which you want to collect yourself. Okay, this was it for today. I say goodbye. If you want, you can comment on this video. I'm glad to hear about you and see you next time. Goodbye.